You may have wondered, what chicken nugget is the best chicken nugget? Well, it's a good thing you wondered that, because that's what we're here to find out. Now, you're probably wondering where this idea came from. Well, everybody's had this question once or twice in their mind before, but specifically, it came when me and Madison had an argument over, I said Wendy's chicken nuggets were the best, obviously, and McDonald's chicken nuggets taste like plastic. And she said, no, McDonald's chicken nuggets are so much better than Wendy's chicken nuggets. And I thought she was insane. So now, we're gonna go test that. But obviously first, we must go get her, so I can shove it in her face when she's wrong. We have arrived at the thank you radio, but I'm about to get copyrighted. We have arrived at the residence where the person that is incorrect lives. Your opinion is wrong. Welcome back, and I have gotten her, even though her opinion is wrong about McDonald's chicken nuggets.
Opinion is not wrong at all, actually.
Anyways, our idea is that we are going to get people and blindfold them, and they're gonna rate the chicken nuggets that we get them. We're gonna get Carl's Jr., Burger King, McDonald's, and Wendy's. Maybe we'll both be wrong. Maybe Carl's Jr. will win.
No, Carl's Jr. is not good.
Donnie says Carl's Jr. is his favorite place to get nuggets.
Donnie's wrong, so.
Well, you're wrong too.
No, so. I'm not!
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. May I take the order? Yes, please. Can I get a 4 for $4 with a bacon cheeseburger?
Well, what should I drink?
A Dr. Pepper, please.
Oh look, we got the bad nuggets. That kind of sucks.
I got my lunch with some nuggets, but I'm gonna keep the nuggets and not eat them. I'm just gonna eat the burger.
The burger.
And maybe the fries too.
Go.
Secondly, we are at Carl's Jr. getting the Star Nugget fry. Not fries, chicken nugget. What am I? Alright, whatever. We're gonna go buy them.
He can't even talk. No.
Carl's Jr. has been gotten. Yeah.
Chicken nugget fact. Did you know that one of the Queen's chefs invented chicken nuggets?
What?
It may be hard to believe, but one of the chefs in the world arguably had a hand in the creation of chicken nuggets. It's no wonder they are so popular.
Whoa. Here we are at Burger King for our third round of chicken nuggets. We have got
also another brand nuggets I don't care about, but they're really cheap. Here's another chicken fun fact for chicken nuggets. Yay! Okay. So chicken nuggets come from a custom breed of chicken. They don't come from any old chicken. They keep up with demand in order to chicken breed. Isn't that cool, Justin?
Yeah. You're at McDonald's and you can see the M out that window. And you can see that the drive-thru is freaking full. We are here. Maddie got a Happy Meal.
I did, and I'm gonna get a
Clear
Lego
bias.
toy. Look at bags. They're all breeding.
Anyways, we have a band playing downstairs. Ignore them. This first is the McDonald's chicken nugget. $2 for about a 6-piece, and it's roughly 33 cents a nugget, and it's tied for the first biggest nugget. Wendy's at $1 per 4-piece, making it 25 cents per nugget. Cheaper than McDonald's, actually. Tied for the first biggest with McDonald's. Then we have, we have the Wendy's chicken nugget. Then we have Carl's Jr., which is really hard to see, but Star Nuggets. It's $5 for a 6-piece, making it roughly 83 cents per nugget. And it's the second smallest. That already gives it a big disadvantage. It better be chosen for good taste. And then we got Burger King, which $1 for 10-piece nuggets. That's a lie. It's about $1.5. It was like $1.49 when we went. So I put $1.5 for 10-piece, making it roughly 15 cents per nugget. But the smallest. But we'll see how its taste compares to the others. Subject number 1! You can't look.
I can't see.
Eat it.
It's sustenance. Weight is 7.
Alright. Here's your next one.
I'll take give that one a 9.
Ooh.
Ooh!
More satisfying. Have you seen my children? I can't actually ever see them, so. Keep it in your mouth,
This is really just a trial to see how many times you can put a chicken nugget in your mouth without choking.
This is gonna be a 3.
That's
Yeah.
A 3.
that would be
3?
A 3.
Oh my goodness.
Why
that
is Justin choking?
Just 1 5.
A 5. Thank you, sir, for appearing on our documentary.
Can I shake your hand? Thank you.
Alright, welcome subject number 2 to the show. You can just sit down, I guess. We kind of just fed Alex the chicken nuggets.
That's
Oh,
fine.
nice.
Yeah.
Here.
Alright, okay.
Eat it. Alright. And I just rate it out of 10.
Just all of 8.5 out of 10.
8.5. 4 food. Here's your next one.
I'd say that's a solid 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
I'd say that's a solid 8 out of 10.
Justin, that's disgusting.
What was I praying? I feel your saliva on it, Justin. I'd say that's a solid 7 out of 10.
Again, tied with the other 7 out of 10.
We're gonna behead you.
Don't tell her that.
Oh, sorry, you're right. Close your eyes
have a
and
hand
count
up.
to 7.
Have a hand up.
When you wait, you won't be in heaven.
Alright. Now just eat it.
It's like a.
Eat it.
It's like a.
Eat it. It's a chicken nugget.
No, keep your eyes closed. You can't see.
Yeah. 7 out of 10.
That's
Alright, that's a 7. What's your impression?
the spicy and eat the ball. You
This
haven't even ate it yet.
Wait, there's so much going on.
Must be a very bad nugget.
Yeah, that must be pretty.
What is it like?
It's disgusting. It's disgusting out of 10.
Wait.
Because that was rated really high. Really.
Maybe it's 2.
Maybe 2. The final nugget.
First time with repulse. 1.
A 1 out of 10 again. Wow.
Probably use,
you
like,
did the
high
most
sounding
harshly.
nuggets.
1 through 10. What's your stance on it?
I know where this is from, I think.
Let's see if you can guess it. Since you're the last person, you can guess it.
Alright. This is a Wendy's nugget, isn't it?
Damn! He got it!
Like a 9.
Ooh!
I really like Wendy's nuggets. This is like a McDonald's chicken nugget.
Nope.
6 maybe?
6.
Because like over time when you eat a bunch of them, it's just... This is a McDonald's nugget for sure.
Yeah.
You've trained him. This isn't bad.
No, I didn't train him. He just knows.
This is Justin's.
He's
voice.
a connoisseur.
Everyone watching.
Maybe like a 6.5.
Donnie, that is so
Better than
unfair.
Burger King.
All standards.
There's actually a first one about Carl's Jr. nugget, like whatever. 8.5. They're like low.
All right. Well, thank you for attending our funeral.
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah. For the chicken nuggets.
Oh.
Back here and writing down the scores. I'm gonna calculate them. But anyway, I also wanted to point out something. After microwave, McDonald's and Carl's Jr. get really oddly soggy